If you chose to do this week's special problem, here is the solution video for the Upper Elementary Virtual Vacation. I'm going to skip ahead past the tasks really quick and go to the instruction slide. You were to make a Google Slides to complete this task. Each one of the tasks was to be its own slide, and each slide had a different set of directions. Once you submitted those slides, I checked those out in the Google form. Going back to the task 1 was to choose a vacation destination of your choice and to tell me why you chose this place. You were to be as descriptive as possible. So this task was a writing task, a nice descriptive narrative writing task. Task number 2 was to find a place to stay. So you would have had to research places to stay in your vacation destination. Once you found that place to stay, you were to find out how far away that place was on a map. You would have been able to use anything from a mapping website or an app on your phone or your tablet. If you were to calculate a round trip, that means you would have looked how far it was to get there and then multiplied that by 2, because I would have needed to know how far it would have taken you to get there plus to get back home. Once you multiplied that by 2, that would have given you how many miles it would have taken to drive there. After that, I was looking for you to calculate how many miles or how many yards were in those set of miles, and then how many feet were in those set of miles. Task 3, you were to choose 3 fun activities to do while you were on vacation. That took a little bit of research as well. After you chose those 3 fun activities, I wanted you to list how much each activity would have cost for you to do. If you wanted to join in with your family, you could have added what it cost for them to do as well. Once you listed all of the costs for each of your activities, I wanted you to calculate how much all of them cost together. So this would have tested your ability to add up some decimals for me. Task number 4, you were to find 3 places to eat. It's one of the best parts, I think, of going on vacation. Once you listed those places to eat, I wanted you to also find those places on a map from where you were staying. So you were to look up the address to the place you were staying, plus look up the address to the places you wanted to eat, and then calculate the round trip for each one of the places that you wanted to eat. Once you found that, you were to list all 3 of them. And again, the round trip was your trip there and back. Once you were finished with all of these tasks, again, you would have submitted them on the Google form. I hope you all had a lot of fun going on your virtual vacation, and stay tuned for our new special problem tomorrow.